Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover your dream home in the serene community of Bridgewater Gardens, Discovery Bay, St. Anne. This stunning two-story house boasts five spacious bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and breathtaking ocean views. It sits on almost a third of an acre. It is perfectly positioned, just 5 minutes drive from Puerto Seco Beach, Green Grotto Cave, and the famous Ultimate Jerk Center. This property offers the ideal blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury. Whether you are seeking a family home or an investment opportunity, this gem is designed to elevate your lifestyle. Call today to schedule your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
something spooky I'll do for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky I'll do for you.
Asking price for this house is US 650,000, Jamaican 102.5 million, Canadian 930.4 thousand, Euro 597,000 or 505.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.